Good morning, everyone. How are all of you today? I'm bringing you a new topic today. We will be forming adjectives using suffix. Okay, so today's topic is all about how we can form adjectives, using suffix, that is FUL and OUS. So we will be dealing only with these two suffixes today, and we will be forming adjectives with this. So let's move on. Before I go to forming adjectives, I want to ask you, what is an adjective? Okay, so we know that an adjective is a word that describes a noun. Remember, an adjective is a word that describes a noun. For example, over here, rainbow is a noun. So beautiful becomes your adjective because it is describing the rainbow. Bedroom, again your noun. It's describing how the bedroom is. So you have a messy bedroom. Again, a shirt. What color is the shirt? It's blue. So it's describing the color of the shirt. Mirror. What type of mirror? A shiny mirror. Okay, so shiny is your adjective. Mirror is your noun. Next, we have a firefighter. What kind of firefighter? A brave firefighter. So brave is your adjective and firefighter is your noun. A tiny ladybug. So what kind of ladybug? Tiny. Tiny is your adjective. Ladybug is your noun. Silly dragon. What type of dragon? Silly. So again, silly is your describing word. It describes the dragon. A happy baby. Okay, happy is your adjective, which is describing the baby. A fluffy bunny. Again, fluffy is your adjective, describing the bunny, which is a noun. Delicious pizza. Okay, so pizza is your noun and we have delicious as your adjective. Okay, what type of pizza? A delicious pizza. So remember, adjectives are words, okay, that describe a noun. Okay, so if you have the noun, for example, a girl, you can say a beautiful girl, a happy girl. Okay, so just remember that adjectives are words that describe a noun. Now taking you a little bit further, okay, I have some adjectives over here. Okay, now adjectives describe words, okay, that tell us about a sound. For example, a bang. Okay, so a loudspeaker. What kind of speaker? A loudspeaker. So over here, loud becomes your adjective. It also tells you about the texture of things. What kind of texture? Okay, so over here, it's an alien. The alien is slimy. Okay, so slimy is your adjective. It also tells you about number. Okay, so over here, number. Okay, it tells you about number. 2 is your adjective. Behavior. What kind of person? Okay, a funny person, maybe a sad person, an angry person. Okay, so the man is funny, so funny is your adjective. It tells you about size. Jack has a big dog. So over here we can see 2 dogs, so this big one is Jack, so the size of an animal. Okay, color. It tells you about a particular color. Mary loved her pink crayon. So over here, pink is your adjective. So remember, okay, adjectives, they are words, okay, and they will even tell you about sounds, about textures, numbers, size, and color. Okay, now going a little bit further, we have some sentences. Okay, for example, they live in a beautiful house. Now if I tell you to identify the adjective, first I would like you to see over your house. Okay, house is your noun. Then I'll ask the question, what kind of house? It's a beautiful. Beautiful is your adjective. Lisa is wearing a sleeveless shirt. What kind of shirt? Sleeveless. Sleeveless is your adjective. The soup is not edible. Okay, what kind of soup? Not edible soups. Over here, edible is your adjective. She wore a beautiful dress. Beautiful is your adjective. He writes a meaningless letter. Meaningless is your adjective. Okay, the shop is much nicer. Nicer is your adjective. Of course, it is the comparative degree of nice. Ben is an adorable baby. Again, adorable. Okay. And Linda's hair is gorgeous. Gorgeous is your adjective. So remember, an adjective always describes a noun. Okay. You can always ask the question, what kind? Okay. What kind of baby? An adorable baby. What kind of hair? Hair. Okay. So you can always ask what kind to the noun, and you should get your answer, or you should get your adjective. Okay. Now going on to today's topic is about suffix. Okay. Now what are suffixes? We have also learned this in our previous classes, okay, just a few weeks ago. Okay, so a suffix is a group of letters we add to the end of a word. Okay, for example, over here, kind. Kind is your word. Ness becomes your suffix. So over here, kindness, okay, is your new word. So remember, okay, a suffix is a group of letters, okay, which we add to the end of the word. Remember, if it is a prefix, we would add it before. If it is a suffix, we would add it after. So over here, kind is your root word, okay, and ness becomes your suffix because we're adding it after the word, and it takes on a new word, that is kindness. And you can see how the meaning has also changed from kind to kindness. Okay, the suffixes change the meaning or the purpose. Okay, now let's go on to our next slide. Okay, today we will be discussing, okay, about the suffix full. Okay, over here we have the suffix full. Remember, whenever the suffix full is used, okay, actually F-U-L-L, right? Full, the real spelling is F-U-L-L, but whenever we use it in a suffix form, okay, it has only one L. The second L, we cut it away. Okay, we do not use the second L, we use only the first L. Okay, so it becomes F-U-L and not F-U-L-L. So for example, over here I have got help. Okay, help is a verb. You can form adjectives, okay, using verbs and nouns also, okay, and even adjectives. So over here, help is helpful, cheer, cheerful, beauty, beautiful, power, powerful, harm, harmful, care, careful, pain, painful. Okay, so remember, okay, using the suffix full, you can use these words, okay, the root word and your new word. Okay, clear? So these are just some examples of the suffix full. Now let me take you to the next suffix, that is OUS. Okay, so we're going to form adjectives with OUS. So for example, over here, luxury, okay, we made it into luxurious, which is an adjective. Mischief, mischievous, right? Do you remember mischievous? Yes, I'm sure you do. Poison, poisonous, disaster, disastrous, danger, dangerous, joy, and joyous. Okay, your teacher forgot to put an O over here, okay, but just remember it's Joyous, typing mistake. Okay, so remember, you can form adjectives using a lot of suffixes, but today we are only dealing about FUL and OUS. So I hope you understood this chapter, okay, and happy learning. Bye bye.